Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get unbanned from Wizz. First, you need to open up your web browser. Here, make a search for Wizz app. Now scroll down and tap to open its official website. Once you're in, tap on Menu from the top right corner. Here, select the option of Contact Us. In order to get unbanned from Wizz, we need to contact their support team because they're the only ones that can help us. So, on this page, you just need to tap on Contact Us via email. After that, a new window will open where you can add your email and request them to unban you. You must add the reason why you got banned and why you want to get unbanned. If you believe your ban was due to a mistake or misunderstanding, politely apologize for any unintentional violations and promise to adhere to the app's rules and guidelines in the future. Demonstrating that you understand and respect the rules can improve your chances of getting unbanned. It may take some time for Wizz support to respond to your request. Be patient and avoid sending multiple requests in a short period, as this might turn out to be counterproductive. Follow up on your initial contact if you haven't received a response after a reasonable amount of time. This is how you can get unbanned from the Wizz app. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.